iOS 18.1, and let me tell you, this isn't your average update. We're talking next-level stuff, especially when it comes to Apple Intelligence. This is Apple showing us what the future of smartphones looks like. For real though, remember when software updates used to be about bug fixes and maybe a new wallpaper? Those days are gone. iOS 18.1 is packed with features that will change how you use your iPhone every single day. No joke, this is the kind of stuff that makes you excited about technology again. I'm talking about features that make your phone feel like it's actually learning about you, understanding your needs, and even anticipating what you want to do next. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket that gets smarter over time. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of iOS 18.1. We'll break down all the major updates, especially the ones powered by Apple Intelligence. Trust me, after this, you'll be hitting that download button faster than you can say Apple event. Let's go! Okay, first things first. What exactly is iOS 18.1? Simply put, it's the latest software update for your iPhone. Think of it like a fresh coat of paint and some serious engine upgrades for your phone. But here's the thing, this isn't just about making things look pretty or run a little smoother. iOS 18.1 is about making your iPhone more intuitive, more helpful, and more powerful than ever before. We're talking about improvements to Siri, Apple's voice assistant. We're talking about advancements in machine learning, which is how your phone learns and adapts to your habits. And we're talking about better integration between apps, so everything works together seamlessly. Bottom line, iOS 18.1 is designed to make your life easier and more connected. It's about taking all the amazing things your iPhone can already do and cranking them up to 11. Let's break it down. Let's talk about the star of the show, Apple Intelligence. This isn't just a fancy marketing term, it's the driving force behind many of the coolest new features in iOS 18.1. Think of Apple Intelligence as the brains behind your iPhone's operations. It's a combination of powerful software and machine learning algorithms that work behind the scenes to make your phone smarter and more responsive. What does that mean for you? It means your iPhone is constantly learning from your behavior, understanding your preferences, and even predicting what you'll do next. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you inside and out. And the best part? You don't have to do anything special to make it work. Apple Intelligence is constantly running in the background, optimizing your experience without you even realizing it. Pretty cool, right? Remember when Siri first came out? It was cool to ask your phone questions, but let's be real, the responses were often robotic and limited. Well, Siri in iOS 18.1 is on a whole other level. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, Siri is now more conversational and intuitive than ever before. You can have actual back-and-forth conversations, asking follow-up questions and getting natural-sounding responses. But it's not just about talking. Siri can now understand context and anticipate your needs. For example, let's say you're texting a friend about meeting for dinner. Siri can suggest restaurants nearby, make reservations, and even add the event to your calendar, all without you having to lift a finger. This is Siri, like you've never seen it before. It's no longer just a voice assistant, it's becoming a true digital companion that can help you with your everyday tasks and make your life a whole lot easier. Section 5. Machine Learning Magic Your Phone, Your Habits. Machine learning. It sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. It's all about your iPhone learning from your habits and preferences over time. Let's say you listen to a certain playlist every morning on your commute. With machine learning, your iPhone will start to recognize that pattern and automatically suggest that playlist when you get in the car. Or maybe you always order pizza from the same place on Friday nights. Your iPhone will pick up on that and start suggesting that restaurant when Friday rolls around. It's like magic, but it's really just your phone getting to know you better. The more you use your iPhone, the more it learns and the more personalized your experience becomes. It's about making technology work for you, not the other way around. Section 6. App Power Up, Connecting the Dots for You. One of the coolest things about iOS 18.1 is how it connects different apps and services together seamlessly. This is Apple Intelligence in action, making sure your digital life is as integrated and efficient as possible. For example, let's say you're looking at a flight itinerary in your email. With iOS 18.1, your iPhone can automatically add that flight information to your calendar and even remind you when it's time to leave for the airport. Or maybe you're reading an article about a new restaurant you want to try. Your iPhone can pull up the restaurant's location in Maps, show you the menu, and even let you book a table, all without you having to switch apps. It's all about breaking down the barriers between different apps and services, making your iPhone feel like one cohesive ecosystem that just works the way you want it to. Section 7, Picture-Perfect Photos Get Smarter. Remember when you had to scroll through hundreds of photos to find the one you were looking for? Yeah, those days are over. With iOS 18.1, your photo library gets a serious intelligence upgrade. Thanks to advanced machine learning, your iPhone can now recognize faces, objects, and even scenes in your photos. That means you can search for things like beach photos or pictures of my dog, and your iPhone will instantly find them. But it gets even cooler. iOS 18.1 can also identify the best shots in a series of photos, automatically removing duplicates and blurry images. It's like having a personal photo editor that's always working in the background. And for those who love sharing memories, iOS 18.1 makes it easier than ever to create and share albums with friends and family. You can even invite others to contribute to shared albums, so everyone can relive those special moments together. Section 8, Battery Boost Powering Through Your Day. Okay, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, battery life. We all want our phones to last longer on a single charge, and with iOS 18.1, Apple delivers. No, they haven't magically created a battery that lasts a week, yet, but they have made some serious improvements to how iOS manages power consumption. Thanks to Apple Intelligence, your iPhone can now learn your charging habits and optimize charging cycles to extend the life of your battery. It can also identify power-hungry apps and processes and limit their background activity, saving you precious battery life. The result? You can squeeze more hours of use out of your iPhone without constantly having to worry about finding a charger. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. Section 9, Security Matters, Keeping Your Data Safe. With all the amazing things our phones can do, it's easy to forget about the importance of security. But Apple hasn't. iOS 18.1 comes with a host of new security features designed to keep your data safe and your privacy protected. One of the most notable new features is enhanced Face ID. Apple has made improvements to their facial recognition technology, making it even more secure and less susceptible to spoofing attempts. So you can rest assured that your phone is locked down tight. iOS 18.1 also includes new privacy controls that give you more granular control over the data you share with apps and websites. You can now see exactly what permissions each app has requested and revoke them at any time. It's all about giving you more transparency and control over your digital footprint. In a world where data breaches and privacy concerns are becoming increasingly common, it's good to know that Apple is taking security seriously and giving users the tools they need to protect themselves. Section 10, Little Things, Big Impact, Quality of Life Upgrades. Okay, we've talked about the big-ticket features, but iOS 18.1 also includes a ton of smaller updates that make a big difference in everyday use. For example, there's a new focus mode that lets you customize your notifications and home screen based on your current activity. So, if you're at work, you can block out distractions from social media and focus on your tasks. Or, if you're winding down for the night, you can silence all notifications except for calls from your favorites. Another cool new feature is live text, which lets you interact with text in photos and videos. You can copy and paste text from a photo of a document, look up definitions of words, and even make calls or send emails directly from text within images. These might seem like small additions, but they add up to a more refined and enjoyable user experience. It's all about those little touches that make you appreciate the thoughtfulness and attention to detail that Apple is known for. Section 11, iOS 18.1, a smarter future in your pocket. So, there you have it. iOS 18.1 is more than just a software update. It's a statement from Apple about the future of mobile technology. It's about making our devices more intelligent, more personal, and more seamlessly integrated into our lives. With Apple Intelligence at its core, iOS 18.1 delivers a level of personalization and responsiveness that we've never seen before in a mobile operating system. It's like having a personal assistant, a digital companion, and a tech-savvy friend all rolled into one. Whether it's the smarter Siri, the enhanced machine learning, or the countless quality of life improvements, iOS 18.1 is packed with features that will make you fall in love with your iPhone all over again. It's a glimpse into a future where our devices anticipate our needs, learn from our habits, and empower us to do more than we ever thought possible. So what are you waiting for? Go update your iPhone and experience the future of mobile technology today. Peace out, Tech Fam.